Hey guys, Natalie Nidham here. Have you heard about bioregulator peptides? If you follow me, you probably have. If you've never heard me speak before, maybe you haven't. If you've heard of bioregulator peptides, the one you probably have heard of is Epithelon, which is the Longevity Bioregulator Peptide. It's the pineal gland peptide. It does three really important things for us. It activates telomerase, which helps to make our telomeres longer, which means our DNA can replicate more often, which means we get to stay healthier longer. It helps to normalize melatonin production, which is super important for sleep and longevity. And also, it helps to balance your entire endocrine system. So that's your hormones. And that's just one of the 21 bioregulator peptides. And why am I telling you about this right now? Because on April 22nd, 2023, I'm going to be at KetoCon in Austin, Texas, and I'm going to be presenting at 2:30 on bioregulator peptides, longevity, healthspan, and vitality. And I would love it if you would meet me there. So if you want to come down, learn about bioregulator peptides, and hear from a whole lot of other amazing speakers, then you're going to want to go over to ketocon.org and use discount code NAT50 to get your ticket for KetoCon. See you there.